Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the two-factor authentication in the AirAsia application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and you will see there your name and basically a symbol there. Press on it. After doing so, you should scroll all the way down, and here almost at the bottom you will see the settings option. Press on that, and now if you scroll down a little bit more, you will see the two-factor authentication. Press on that as well. You wait a little bit, and after everything appears, you should select here the second option, which is two-step verification. And after doing so, you can see here that in this case you can turn off email verification. So in this app, this is the extra layer of protection. But if you want to turn it off and if you press on it, they will send you a code to your email address first, and only then you can deactivate this option. So this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.